Hello there, Vegas. Barry Jones here with a friendly reminder that it's adoption weekend down at Patch. So if you're lonely and find yourself needing some companionship, why not head on down there and pick out a new friend? And if you're in need of a different kind of companionship, then don't forget about sexy senior single Sundays at Cheeks. Your very own Barry Jones will be down there spinning a special swinging set for all you swingers out there. And of course, with early bird drink deals starting at 1 p.m., you'll have a great time, and you'll still be home in time for the nightly news.
Sorry about that. Reverend Winston Goodman here, and I'm here to tell you that together we can build a Vegas where it's not the house always wins, it's the home. What do I mean by that? I'm talking about family and decency. I'm talking about hard work paying off. I'm talking about regular folks like you and me making a difference. Your neighborhoods and communities need not wallow in the shadows of those casinos. Your tax dollars need not be wasted on more government waste and excess. So when you walk up to that ballot box, think about who you want to be calling the shots in this town. The high rollers strutting the strip, or the people who actually call this city home. Vote Goodman, and together we can build a better Vegas.
Здесь в этот аэропорт вызывать полицию. Нет, я умер. Ладно. Еще раз. Второй попытки. Первого у нас не получилось.
Sorry!
This is grade A, pure Colombian cocaine, ladies and gentlemen.
Barry Jones, and now you've got the hillbilly Hellcat with crazy little baby.
Pecker, lead singer of the band Restraining Order. Their album Naked Sexual Aggression was everywhere in the summer of '88, and now he's here in our studio. How you doing, Spike?
I coughed up my kidney this morning and, between my in child support payments, I'm netting about $6.75 a month. So, okay, I guess.
You are known for being this, like, hardcore party maniac. Give us a crazy story.
On our tour of Southeast Asia in '91, I met a guy who was gonna score me some blow, but he must have slipped something else. I woke up in a bedroom surrounded by these scary Japanese businessmen. Thought I was a girl on account of the old glam thing. That or they didn't care. Took me 8 months to escape and hop a ship back to the States. What a ride.
So would you say rocking was worth it?
My dating life,
Ну ладно, на этом мы видео закончили. Ставьте лайк, подписывайтесь. Ну, я хочу, чтобы мы набрали 1000 лайков, и я выпущу новое видео. Всем спасибо.